In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you where you can locate downloaded files. To find your downloaded files on this iPad, you don't need to get any special app, but you need to find one that's already on it. This one, called Files. So find it, and when you're ready, launch it. Now you need to pick locations, in my case iCloud Drive, but if you have many downloads on your device, you can also hit on my iPad and look for downloads folders. As you can see, mine is over here. Then click on it and access all of your downloaded files. To launch one, click on it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!